Hello friends, welcome to CCI English classes. From today we are going to start conversations, and for conversations we have one very beautiful student, Lavina. Hello Lavina, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine, thanks a lot. From today, first we are going to start with two structure. First we are going to take yes no type questions. And you need to answer yes or no. Okay. And I will ask questions using do, subject, then first form of verb, and then object. Okay. These are called yes no type questions. We use them for general statements, universal truth, and habitual action, routine activities. So let's take some examples. Lavina is going to answer to my questions. Okay. Yes. Do you get up early every day, Lavina?
Yes, I get up early in the morning.
Very nice. Good. Okay. Do you go for a walk daily?
Yes, I go for a walk daily.
Okay, nice. Do you take breakfast?
Yes, I take breakfast.
Okay, nice. Do you go to study somewhere?
Yes, I go to study. I go to study in college.
Very nice. Okay. Do you take a bath daily?
Yes, I take bath daily.
Okay, so here you just, I think you have got the point. This, whenever we start a question using do, then we need to answer using yes or no. Let's take some examples of no. I hope that Lavina will definitely say no for these questions. Do you drink, Lavina?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you smoke, Lavina?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you sleep late, Lavina?
Yes, I do.
Okay, nice. So, for no, no, I don't. For yes, yes, I do. This type of. Now we are going to take questions in which we put question word before do. Okay. What do you? Where do you? How do you? What time do you? I, we, you, they, plural. We use do. I'm going to ask some questions to Lavina.
Yes,
What time do you get up in the morning, Lavina?
I get. I get up in the morning 6 o'clock in the morning.
Good. So I get up at 5 o'clock. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. First, we are going to tell about time. Before time, we will use preposition at. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Where do you go for a walk?
Near my home.
Okay. I go for a walk near my house. Okay. In which class do you study?
First,
Okay. I study in first year. Where do you live, Lavina?
I live in Eklimpura.
So before place, if the place is small, then we use at. I live
At
at Eklingpura, a small town, a small village. As we learned in prepositions, we put at. I live at Eklingpura. Okay. What do you do in the afternoon?
I use phone.
Okay, you just use cell phone.
Cell phone.
You talk to your friends.
Yes.
Okay. What time do you take lunch?
I take lunch at 11 o'clock.
Okay. What do you take in lunch?
I take in lunch paratha and sabji.
Okay. So I take simple food, chapati, vegetables in lunch. So I take then object. What I take? Okay. What time do you play a game?
At 4 o'clock.
Okay. What time? Then we are going to tell about time. So Lavina plays a game at 4 o'clock. What time do you play a game? I play a game at 4 o'clock. Okay. What time do you go to sleep, Lavina?
At 10 o'clock.
Okay. I go to sleep. I sleep at 10 o'clock at night. So, in this way, today we learned that if a question is started with do, then answers are in yes or no. I would like to request Lavina. She will ask me some questions. starting with do. Then I will answer them using yes or no. Ask same question.
Do you take breakfast?
Yes, I take breakfast.
Do you take lunch?
Yes, obviously, I take lunch.
Okay. Do you take do you play any game?
Yes, I play cricket and hockey. Very nice. Now, I would like to request Ravina to ask some questions using question word what, when, where, what, when, time, where, place. She's going to ask me some questions using question word, do, subject, first form. And then I will answer using subject, first form. We use these structures for subjects I, we, you, they, and plural. So Lavina is going to ask some
Where do
questions.
you live?
Very nice. She has asked, where do you live? Place. I live in Udaipur. Yes. Ask.
Where do you get up in the morning?
Yes. What time?
What time?
For time. What time do you get up in the morning? I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Any question? Okay, thanks a lot. So I hope you enjoyed this session that four subjects I, we, you, or they, or plural noun, more than one. We use these structures asking questions. Okay. And for answers, we just put subject, first form, and then object. So you should also do its practice. Just ask daily routine of your any non-person. Like, what time do you wake up? I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Then, do you go for a walk? So, yes, I go for a walk. Or no, I don't go for a walk. Like this. So, ask at least 10 questions to 5 persons. In this, you will have practice. We use these structures for daily routine activity, for general statement, for habitual action, for universal truth. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and keep watching our videos. Tomorrow again, we will be with Lavina with some more conversations based on specific structures. Thanks a lot. Okay, bye.